Hey everyone, I made it into Costco, so you know the Super Bowl is gonna be here. So just gonna go through some food. We have 6.29. Now this brand is Siete. I talk about it all the time. I highly recommend. It's 6.29, non-GMO. It's a 12 ounce. It's the perfect price too, because in your grocery store, half of that is $5. Over here, $5. This one's a 28 ounce. Multi-grain for 5, ends on the 12th though, so you can stock up for the game. Next to me they have the crinkle cut Himalayan salt, a 32 ounce for $5.79. And then Ruffles are $7.50. It is a large bag. Again, Sam's Club is going to be cheaper right now. Okay, and what is this one? The Pringles. So you have multiple people coming over, you get 36 in here for 20. Those are 20, $12.59 for a 30 count. Now this one ends on the 12th. If you just want singly, I do prefer singly, honestly, just because children and people's hands, you never know. That's just my take on it. $12.59 ends on the 12th, and there's no limit. Next to me we have the Flamin' Hot. You get 54, and these are only 20. Sun chips, you get 30 for $18.99. And a few more chips over here. You get 54 for $19.89. The Frito-Lay Classic. If you do just want like all Lay's singly or barbecue singly, you might want to hit up Costco Business Center or Sam's Club, because they do sell them just by itself. All these here are going to be $19.89. They have Skinny Pop now, which is $15, and you get 28. You want to make popcorn, those are $13. And Skinny Pop in a bag is $7.50, and that is a 14 ounce. Nearly Naked, a 22 ounce, is $7.50. It is non-GMO, gluten-free. Everyone walks around Costco with this bag. Again, I've never tried it, but every cart that passed me has it. And these are going to be $9. And by Kirkland, they do have organic tortilla chips for $5.50. If you plan on making your own dip, they do have organic Greek yogurt for $5.99, and that is a 48 ounce. Something on the side for $15. The world's best mac and cheese is actually pretty decent. The pretzels are $11.99 here. They're a little bit of the assortment, and you guys know I did share this in the other video. So these right now are $8.50, ends on the 12th, and of course you get 32. Another great appetizer, $11.99, something to have, ends on the 12th. And beef taquitos here, these are $12.59, and you get 60 a 6. Bagel bites on the side are $10.99, and of course you get 72. If you plan on going the hot dog route, $11.99. This is Hebrew, 100% beef. And down here is $14. We do have the Kirkland, Costco. Yeah. Oh, this is the one they have in the Costco food court. Is that all beef? Like 100% beef? It just says beef, but I don't know. And don't forget the 3-pound is $10.99 on the chicken strip. Chicken wings, making homemade chicken wings, 10-pound is $26. Now they do have the Buffalo Crispy. This is a 4-pound bag for $18. It is pretty decent. So right now, $10.99. This one ends on the 12th, and there is no limit on the honey barbecue bites. And for more grilling, we have Kirkland beef patties. You get 18 in here for $26. $26. And the 6-pound Kirkland is a 22. They do have grass-fed 5-pound 15 count for $24. $7.99 for the chowder. Now this one ends on the 26th. Don't forget your pickles. These are actually pretty good. My kids do prefer this here. $6.29, and you will get a 32 ounce. $8.69 price per pound. We have toasted chili and spice. Ooh, that sounds really good. So $9.60 here. That sounds really good, like on a grilled cheese. So a variety pack is $12.99 for a 2-pound. Sometimes I like to do that with olives and everything. Down here by Blue Moose Hatch chili. Okay, this one is $7. No limit ends on the 12. I really want to try this. I feel like this one might be good with the firecrackers they call the chicken one. And the bitchin' sauce, you guys, the chipotle dip is $8, ends on the 26. And there is no limit. A salsa combo pack is $7. And don't forget your chunky guacamole if you want to do individual. Also, you can make your own. It has spinach and artichoke, which is $9.89. Organic hummus. Okay, this one is $5.99. So my Costco finally has holy guacamole. They normally never have this. There is no price here. All I see is the hummus and the organic guacamole. So if you want organic, it's going to be $11.99. A cheese potato bake. Ooh, this one is new. It's going to be $10 and you get 2. They do have the beef lamb like combo, $11.99. Now I did try this before. It's actually pretty decent, and if you put it in the naan bread, their naan bread is $5 right now and you get 18. And you know, I don't blame you if you're one of those people, you know, you're like, I just don't have time, or you need something extra. They do have, is this the beef chili? This one is $14.38. They have, you know, tons of pre-made stuff here. If you need some shrimp, $14.47. I probably would just go to my regular grocery store and buy a bigger version of that. And then of course, you guys, I did share this before, the football layer cake. We got dark chocolate and white chocolate mousse with ganache. It looks really good. I'm so tempted to buy it like right now and just like eat it. Some more grilling action. Okay, it looks like $10.99 per pound. This is going to be New York, so $47. The highest I want to say, well, this one right here is ribeye. Ribeye is $13.99, so $71. That did go up. Ribs are $2.99 and $30.35, and you do get 3 here in Costco, so you do get 3. Let's see, $27 lowest. I say highest might be $32. Beef flank steak. Okay, good for grilling too. These are $8.99 a pound, so $33. This one is a flat meat, which is $8.99, so $31. All types of options to choose. I know a friend who buys like steak. Well, it's really funny. They buy steak, but they cut them up in like little baby pieces, like they'll grill, and for appetizers they cut them in little, that's just kind of silly to me. I say butterfly them, make them thin, depending for adults and kids and stuff. I'll just, you know, hamburgers, hot dogs. Ribeye, yeah, $13.99, so $73. Wow, I'm kind of amazed. This went up pretty recently. So it's $3.99 here. This is, what's the poundage on here? This is like 7 pounds. So yeah, you're paying $30. Again, I talked about going to the business center and buying the chub for $35. That's 10 pounds. It's 90%. It's 90% over there. And I believe here in the regular store you could ask for the 90% in a chub, but I'm not too sure if you have to call ahead. Okay, and then you know they have tons of cake here too. If you want to bring a cake over to somebody's house, they got white cake, chocolate cake, and you know, cheesecake. So the rolls are really good for little mini sandwiches. These are going to be $5.99 and you do get 12. And of course, you guys, the liquor. They have your liquor here in the Costco. I've shared this many times, and believe it or not, I do get a lot of emails. People just get mad when I show liquor. I'm not too sure why. I mean, we're all adults unless you're a teen. If you're a teen, don't drink. I mean, but let's be honest, we know what teens do, okay? You think you're slick, but you're not. I'm just playing. There's some really good kids out there. But yeah, they have tons of liquor to choose from. More than Sam's Club, I will tell you that. Costco has more than Sam on the liquor. You want to make baked potatoes, or what are those? Like you bake them, cut them in half, put some bacon on it. These are really large. This is a 15-pound bag for $10.69, but I've never seen potatoes so huge like that. Not in my grocery store. And potatoes are supposed to be like really easy to just grow. Just put them in the ground. Potatoes come from the ground. They're gonna be dirty. But that's a big boy right here. I love it. I love potatoes. Golden potatoes, you get 10 pounds for $5.99. You can make your potato salad. Tons of beer, so 24 here. This is going to be 21. We have Bud Light at $22, $21.50. This one, Arizona, Scottish, Scottish style, 24, 4 Peaks, and 22. Guinness will be 32, and you get 24. Here's another one, the mixed pack for 30. Look at this one. I know it's nothing food related.
This thing.
A 3-pack for $11.99. So to keep your dogs busy, or if you're watching the Puppy Bowl. Are you guys gonna watch the Puppy Bowl? Sometimes I'm
love the Puppy
back and
Bowl.
forth on that. Okay, back to the drinks. Variety pack by White Claw is 28. You guys want to know something? I've never had a White Claw. I kind of don't see what the big deal is about it, but if you think it's a big deal, let me know. Should I just try it? And $21 here. Truly will be $28.89. We have watermelon, mango, wild berry, and strawberry lime. And this one over here, I'm really tempted. 18 bucks. They have croissants here. They're $5.99. They have the muffins, you know, 1 dozen, pick 2, 6-pack, any flavor. They're $10. Cookies, if you don't plan on making any, hey, this is my go-to. I wish they had raisin cookies. 10 bucks.
Grandma.
I love raisin cookies. They do have them in variety, but I wish they had raisin cookies by itself.
You know what I like?
All right.
Oatmeal cookie
Oh,
dough.
oatmeal cookie dough.
I don't like, I just like whenever it's made in a bowl, I don't like it.
All right, you guys, that was kind of it in Costco, what they have like for appetizers and stuff like that. But tons of chips right now. I want to say chip deal. You might want to check your local grocery store. I'm pretty sure they're going to run a deal for Super Bowl. And a Sam's Club right now, they're all like $3.50 for the large bags. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.